Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to my English countryside. There is something sacred about early mornings. Before the world becomes loud, before notifications and responsibilities, there is this gentle space. Today I begin slowly. I boil water for tea, not in a hurry, not multitasking. Tea is a small ritual, but small rituals anchor the day. I pour the water, I wait, I breathe. Slow living begins here. Instead of buying something new, today I'm making my own apron. Soft, natural, imperfect. There is beauty in creating what we use daily. The sound of the sewing machine is steady and comforting. Making something by hand connects us to time. Each stitch is a reminder. I do not need to rush. I can create slowly. If this quiet rhythm feels comforting to you, you may consider subscribe and like this video so more people can discover slow living too. Slow living, it's not aesthetic perfection. It is attention. It is choosing to experience life instead of racing through it. An apron is simple, but it represents intention. To cook, to care, to be present. If this video gave you a small moment of calm, I would love for you to stay here with me. You are always welcome to subscribe and be part of this little corner of the world. And please tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I always love seeing how many different places we are all connected from. Take care of yourself, and I hope that wherever you are, you can find a little moment of calm and beauty today. Take care and see you soon.